Hey guys, welcome to the engineering world. I know I'm posting this video after 3 months, but the main point is GATE 2021 revised syllabus is available here. So, syllabus of each paper has been revised for GATE 2021. The GATE organizing committee of IIT Bombay has revised the GATE syllabus. So, also they changed the pattern. Here, multiple selective questions are available, may be available, okay? So, there is change in pattern also and there is some change in syllabus also. The most important points are, syllabus topics are new for everyone, pattern is also new for everyone, so don't lose hopes or don't think about this too much. Do your best, give your best, keep studying, okay? So, I will discuss here revised syllabus for mechanical engineering branch. For other branches, please download it from official site, link in description box. So, for mechanical engineering, the mathematics part is as it is. You can see it: linear algebra, calculus, differential equation, complex variable, probability, numerical method are as it is. Then, for applied mechanics and design part, here engineering mechanics fiction is present, but they added applications like screw jack, wedge and vehicle, okay? And for strength of material, that is mechanics of material point of view, concept of shear center is added. So for engineering mechanics, screw jack and wedge and vehicle are added, and for SWAM, concept of shear center are added. For theory of machine, vibration and machine design, syllabus is as it is. There is no change or no addition of new topic. Then the next is thermal engineering and applications. For fluid mechanics and heat transfer, syllabus is as it is, okay? There is no change in syllabus. But for fluid mechanics as compared to last year, there are 2 points are missing: manometry and buoyancy. I don't know about this much if they are coming or not, but I think you have to prepare for manometry and buoyancy. These are small topics. Heat transfer fluid mechanics are as it is, okay? Then, for thermal engineering, thermodynamics is as it is. In thermal engineering applications, there is addition of steam and gas turbines. You know very well. Previous year they asked a question on steam and gas turbines. So there is no new addition of this steam and gas turbine. But just to mention this topic, okay? Then, for manufacturing and engineering materials, for engineering materials there is no change in syllabus or no new addition of topic. Casting, forming and joining, there is no addition. For machining and machine tool operation, abrasive machining process is added, okay? Abrasive machining process and CNC machines and CNC programming. For metrology and inspection, concept of coordinate measuring machine (CMM) is added. Also, additive manufacturing and lean manufacturing. These concepts are added and other topics are as it is. There is no subtraction or addition of any other new topic. Okay, so you can download this pdf link in description box, as well as I am providing this link in comment section. So please subscribe the channel and support our work. I'm thinking about launching the test series on YouTube, so please subscribe the channel. Okay, thanks. Do well, study well, stay safe.